Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up Google Ads Enhanced Conversion for Typeform. Today I will show you how to track email and phone numbers from your form submission using a custom HTML listener code and data layer variables. Okay, so first of all, we need to create a custom HTML. We need to create a tag. It will be the custom HTML, this one, the tag I already create. Actually this one I cannot share because last 25 days I'm working on this. uh, the Typeform user provided data, it's tracking almost impossible. So I already successful about this, that now I can track the user provided data, and that's why I cannot share this one. If you guys need any help, I will put my WhatsApp number in the description so you guys can contact with me. Okay, so first step is we have to create a custom HTML tag here. This one will be find the all page. Okay, first step this one. Then okay, then if I click on preview, okay, the okay, now tag assistant is connect. If I click on connect here, then website will be open the website. This is okay, this is my website here. Then okay, this is the form actually. Then I can show you guys the exact phone aids or Typeform here. If I click on contact, then you can see that typeform.com. Okay, so this is the Typeform. Okay, if I take action here, the fill up form, everything. Okay, after it's okay, then name anything you can put here, no problem. Email and phone number here. Okay, then click on OK. Then actually this one language is Francis language, that's why like this. Now submit. After submit, this is the thank you. Okay, now we can see the tag assistant here. After preview, one event file is here, the form submit. If I click here the form submit, then you can see I set up already this one for Facebook server side tracking. So here and also for 04, this one is for Google Ads conversion. Actually now I am showing about the Google Ads conversion, enhanced conversion. So this is the my event GS Typeform submit. If I click here, then you can see the user provided data, the enhanced conversion is properly working. It's my email and phone number, just now I put this one. It's properly working. Okay, then if I go then the data layer here, Then you see user email, user phone number. It's properly working. Then okay, if I go under the variable section, you can see the uh, this is hashed email. You can send both here, hashed email or without hash also. See, DLB Typeform eCommerce enhanced conversion. These are provide data, email, phone number. It's tracking properly, and here the email and phone. Okay, so this is actually very short tutorial about the enhanced conversion for Typeform. Include user provide data tracking. If I click on the Google Ads conversion here, then you see the same name, ZAds Typeform submit. It's active. Okay, if I click on here, then you guys can see the recording conversion, enhanced conversion is active. Consent mode is also active. So then I can show you the about conversion it's tracking or not properly. You see 8 conversion we have last 14 days. This one I set up only just a few days only. So thank you so much for watching the video, and my next tutorial will be the about currently booking Google Ads conversion tracking about this one. So I'll show you here also how to track the currently from and user first name, last name, email, phone number. Okay. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tutorials. See you next time. Bye.